Hi everyone, it's Lytham from the Blackpool Honda dealership, and today I'm going to give you a quick video walk around of our service manager's old demonstrator. Of course, this vehicle has had a lowering kit applied, as you will probably be able to tell, as it is sitting lower than a standard Civic. We've also put these aftermarket alloys on. They are genuine Honda alloys, and they are of course 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. Of course, every single alloy is in perfect condition. He's also had some Team Echo wind deflectors applied as well. Of course, walking around, you can see just at the rear, we do have rear parking sensors. Of course, the best way to tell that this is a Civic Sport is by the dual exit on the exhaust. And of course, we have your reverse camera just here. In the boot, we do have plenty of room in here. The seats are 60-40 split, flat folding with the level just there. We also have your 12-volt power outlet just there, with a pull-over privacy shelf, which does team up with this little visor here to ensure more privacy in the boot area. Walking around, just quickly showing you this rear alloy here. We do have the full cloth black seats with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. Electric and automatic rear windows. And as you can see, we've got the Team Echo wind deflectors just here. They of course are £40 brand new. Moving inside the vehicle, we have got your electric brake with brake hold. Your Econ is just there, and of course your CVT gearbox. Now I will confirm that this car has got a tuning box applied to the vehicle, meaning that it is more than 184 brake horsepower. It also has your dual climate control there, which can be operated via the touchscreen display. On this display, we have your satellite navigation. We have your Bluetooth hands-free. And of course, all of your audio sources just here. Now, of course, with this being the Sport, it does have the red display and the red instrument cluster just there. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have your voice assistant. Information button is just there. Your volume, your Bluetooth hands-free, and of course your controls for the stereo and the onboard computer up top. We have your speed limiter with cruise control just there, and your lane keep assist system. We've got automatic headlights, if it'll focus, and your automatic windscreen wipers just there. And as you can see, this car has only done 5,279 miles, as the service manager has hardly used this vehicle. Showing you the last remaining alloy now. Of course, if you require any further information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team will provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.